In slopey lands with more than 5% slope, trenches and bunds are created along the contour lines. Depending on the situation, the distance between the bunds may vary from 30 to 50 meters. Rainwater collects along the bunds and percolates slowly. Surface runoff and soil erosion comes down. Plants planted on these bunds show tremendous growth due to high moisture content in the trenches. In the same way, sowing is practiced in beds or rows along the contour lines. Sorghum and erosion-resistant crops like groundnut are grown in strips. The same principle is followed in forest plantations on the slopes of the hills. Trenches are dug along the contour lines and seedlings are planted on the bunds. Growth of the plants will be excellent due to high moisture content in the soil. On hill slopes with more than 20% slope, bench terracing is common. It is inevitable for successful farming, even though the cost of construction is very high. We find paddy fields in such terraced lands in hilly regions. This structure helps for standing of water and to conserve soil and manure applied. In forest and horticultural plantations, shallow half-moon or V-shaped pits are dug for each plant. This pit collects and percolates rainwater even from unseasonal rain. Manures and fertilizers can also be given in the same pit since it maintains more moisture. In plain lands, shallow pits are dug near each plant before the onset of monsoon. These pits percolate enough water, enhancing plant growth. Large farms with less slope are divided into compartments by putting bunds against slope. Even though more water gets collected at the bund, it helps for spreading of moisture for the entire compartment. Normally, the pits dug for putting bunds are retained. Rainwater collected in these trenches percolates slowly, improving soil moisture. Planting red gram, castor, etc. on these bunds will help for stabilization of the bund, apart from an additional income. In heavy rainfall areas, grass with strong root system like vetiver is put for the stabilization of bunds. This avoids breaking and washing away of bunds. Stone bunds are also common.